It's Thursday, I think, April 4th. This differential's moving out of the shop. The customer literally just showed up, and I just walked in as Dad was finishing up. And so Dad gave the full explanation, and it's out the door. And Perky got mail. What'd you get, Perk?
There you go.
Oh, look at those brand new springs, eh? Are you happy?
Very nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice when they're all on, that's for sure.
There you go. They look dreamy. So.
Not too bad.
Yeah, well, they are what they are, right?
That's right.
Yeah. So where are you putting on those springs?
The front end, there's the cans that go here, the bogeys go right in here.
Yeah.
Here. And then 4 on the back, 2 on each side, 6
Oh.
springs.
6 springs. Okay.
Rebuilt bogeys, the whole suspension should be pretty well new after
Okay. Well.
that. You know?
So, well, we'll check in with Dad here and see what these guys got done on the blue here right away.
Doing a little transmission work, you might want to stick
Oh,
around
yeah,
for some
yeah.
punching here. It's just some serious shit going on.
Yeah, okay.
You missed out.
Yeah. So, what's going on today?
Okay, I had to put this pipe in to hold the transmission for installing.
Okay.
And naturally, we don't want to scratch any paint.
No.
So I cut hoses to go over there, and I put the vice grips on each side so the pipe can't slide out.
And you can see it's right here.
And
Little things that Dad thinks about.
then we're very close here. So what we're going to do now is I'll take the plugs out and turn the end until the flex plate lines up with the torque.
Oh, okay.
And put the nuts on, and we'll bolt her all up, and
Oh.
then next is the rotor.
Okay. So, can't open the door, but you can see through the window
Take a
here.
picture from here, though,
I
Ralph,
can, yeah, I can see it.
and you can see how it's all lined up.
Yeah.
And the
So-
transmission mount is there.
So, how much swearing was involved in this?
Well, he hardly swore. I done it all.
Okay.
Who made the stupid one?
Yeah. So, transmission's in. Probably 2-man job all morning here, I'm assuming. Dad did all the swearing to save the apprentice the trouble.
I know.
And but everybody's friends at the end here. Customer just came and picked up the other differential. What did you say?
Well, it's up to him. He remembers better.
Yeah.
No, you ask him.
Okay.
Hey.
I said, for Christ's sake, you stupid bastard, it has to go in square. Bounced right off. So it's
Okay.
good.
Well, that's good. That's
Yeah.
good. Everybody's playing nice. Okay.
So then he says, well, are you talking to me? And I says, only you and I here.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. So,
Now we're this close, let's have a coffee.
To be
Okay.
expected, eh? We all knew
so
that was
again,
Hey, did we?
transmission is in, and you have all the bolts and the nuts, right?
Yeah.
Okay, he's got all the bolts and nuts for everything. Cat's checking everything out. And so the last big piece to go in is the diff. But Dad has to put in the drive shaft first. Once they get the transmission fitted there, Dad's got to remeasure the drive shaft and get that cut with the machine shop. And he's got the rotor being made already at the machine shop. And we went through in the previous video all the work that has to be done. So there's a good solid month and a half of work that needs to be done still. And in between other work coming in, we have another customer that wants to start rolling in some equipment. So we're going to have to start planning for the pad out front. And that'll be bouncing around on those jobs. In between this one and the wooden narrow gauge as well. So, yeah, coming along. And we'll see you guys on the next video.